So yesterday we have discussed about the strategies, right? So put away strategies. What are the different important parts in the put away strategies and all we have discussed here. Basically, strategies are of three types. One is the storage type level, storage section level, and the bin determination. Okay. So storage type level. Yesterday we were discussing about. We have defined all these things. Like what are the definition of means defining up of the search sequence. Then we have assigned our storage type to the search sequence. Then we have defined the put away control indicator, specifying the storage type search sequence we have done, then automation we have done. Okay, so here we are having 5 parameters which will going to specify the storage type search sequence. What are the 5 parameters? These are the 5 parameters. Important, okay? So put away control indicator is one, then warehouse process type, quantity classification, stock type, and PED. If you have these 5 parameters, then you can do like permutation and combinations to do the strategies over here. Okay, so you can like 5 factorial, about 5 factorial times you can able to do the strategies however you want. Okay, so this is what it is important in the put away strategies. Okay, so now I will just go through the. See, yesterday, if anybody is having doubts, please do ask me now, so that I will just take the doubts first, then we can move to the class. No doubts. Okay, then again I'm going to the strategies. Okay, see here SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management, goods receipt process. Under that, strategies. So here storage type search. Okay, here we have these 5 different things which we have defined already. We have defined our search sequence. Okay, I'll just show that. For 1100, we have the SCQ1 and SCQ2. SCQ1 is for both storage type ST01 and ST02. SCQ2 for both storage type ST03 and ST04. Correct? And we have given the sequence. Where we have given the sequence for the for the storage type to get here. Okay, assign storage type to storage type sequence is there. No? When we will going to give here, if you can see, my warehouse is 1100. For SCQ1, first it will going to sequence number 1, it will going to search for ST01. Sequence number 2, it will going to search for ST02. Okay. And for SCQ2, sequence number 1, it will going to search for ST03. If it is completely filled, then only it will go for the ST04. Or else it will just stay here only, means the material is going to store here only. Okay, we're going to test that also. So go back. This is done. Then yes. Yeah.
Sorry. Can you go to assign storage type to storage types of sequence?
Okay.
So we have provided the permutation combination with the ST01, ST02, ST03, and 4. And that too, we have provided 2 sequence. So we can provide sequence in one sequence with the different combinations you said, right?
One sequence.
So with one sequence, we can include 5
storage types.
Yes.
Yeah,
5,
you can.
10, whatever it is.
Yes. It is possible. See, how many sequence you want to, like, if we want to, SCQ1 is there. First, I will store in the ST01. I don't want to store this material in the ST02. Let us consider. Okay. I will going to give sequence 1 if it is there. First, it will going to ST01. Then it will going to take ST03. Like that also I can able to define. However, I want. And even this sequence also you can able to say, like first it should go to it should fill the ST02, then only it should fill the ST01. Like that also you can give the sequence. What the idea?
So storage type sequence, we are choosing based on our permutation, so that even if it is coming in automatic, it will be considered only on the combination which we have provided.
Yes.
For example, we have storage type 10. 1 to 10 we have,
okay.
But I would like to consider only storage type ST10, for example, which should be considered on sequence 1. Then I can ignore 1 to 9 and I can go directly for ST10.
Yes, you are right.
even though we have sequence, even though we have storage type 1 to 10 combination, but I'm giving priority more for ST10.
Yes.
So in that sequence, we can.
That is the sequence 1. Okay. You have to assign the ST10 first. Then once the ST10 fills, okay, where the material should go, you can assign it over here in the second sequence.
If we are not providing over here, then we will not be able to store on that storage type ST.
Which means if you are not providing the storage type here, how will you going to store those materials? Correct, no?
Right.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Next, we have defined our put away control indicator. As I said, we will going to assign this put away control indicator to the material. I'll show that. Okay. SPRO. Sorry, not SPRO. Sorry. mat1. Okay. /SCWM/mat1. Okay. Here, go to what is that? Our material 1100. mat1 is the material. What is my value? 1100. Okay. Click enter. So go to the change. Now I don't want to put this. Okay. Put sequence. Put a control indicator. You can able to remove that. Not an issue. Okay. If we removed also, we can able to define that. Okay. We can able to define the search sequence. Okay. I'll just remove that over here also. I'm going to remove this. So we are not determining based upon the put away control indicator now. Okay, we're going to determine through some other status. There are so many are there, right? So we're going to determine through some other things. Okay, so because these 5 parameters are there on which I'll be determining. Okay, now I don't want to take the put away control indicator. I will ignore it. Okay. Yesterday we have seen based on the WPT also we have defined. Okay, now we're going to think about the quantity classification. Or else, okay, leave it. This quantity classification, I'm going to take it next. Okay, we're going to take the stock type next. Okay, how we're going to define the determine the storage type set sequence based upon the stock type. What is the stock type we have seen? Okay, what is the stock type we have seen for the quality? Quality stock is there means
Q.
Yeah, no, Q3 is then whenever I'm going to receive the stock, it will be in Q3, right? When I will going to move it to store, means particular storage location, that will going to become Q4. Okay, that is what we have seen. But basically, the stock type will be Q3 when I received it at the GR zone. Based upon this, also I can able to define my what is that strategy. Like if the stock type is Q3, then it should go to what is that some quality bin only or quality storage type only. Like that we can able to define. And in the block stock, you have seen that there were B5 and B6 stocks. Okay, B5 means it is at the GR zone. B6 means once it is moved to the final storage type, right? So this also you can able to define. Okay, B5 means it should go to some block stock type only. Storage type only. Like that we can able to define it here. How we will going to do it? Okay, anyway we have the what is that 2 different storage types here. Okay, for the quality and the block we will going to check that. Station SPRO, IMG, SCM EWM, extended warehouse management. Here, go to the master data, storage type. Okay. Just check for the quality and block. Okay. Here, 1100. Whether we have, okay, see here, block, the storage type is there, quality storage type is there. But now we have to define the search sequence for these things, right? Search sequence for these things. How I am going to define this? Okay, just see. I'll go to the search sequence. Okay, I came to the search sequence part here. So storage type search. I'll first go to the define storage type search sequence here. Okay, for the put away. Now I will going to define one more search sequence. See, only 2 search sequences are available. I'm going to define one more search sequence for my warehouse. 1100. My search sequence is quality. Okay, I'll just define it as QUAL only. Okay, let me define QUAL only. QUAL, quality. Okay, this is quality storage type search sequence I'll give. Okay, quality storage type search sequence I'll give. Just save this. I'm going to define one more, that is block, right? I'll say new. Okay, 1100 BLCK. I'll define one more search sequence for the block. So block storage type search sequence, like that I'm going to define this. Okay. So just go back. We have to assign the storage type for this particular search sequence, right? See, observe here. Okay, again and again we'll be doing no, then you will going to remember these things. Assign storage type to the storage type search sequence. I'll say new entries. What is my store warehouse 1100? What is my storage type search sequence? Quality QUAL. For this, I want to assign the storage type. What is my storage type here? QUAL only, correct? I will assign this quality storage type for this search sequence. Okay. At that time, whatever the stock will be coming based upon the stock type, we can able to move it to the quality like that we are defining. Okay. Qual I am giving the same storage type I am assigning here. Qual, right? Any doubts here until this? Hello.
No.
Okay. So next one I'm going to define, that is like 1100. Here storage type search sequence is block BLCK. Okay, for this I am assigning the BLCK as the storage type. Okay, just BLCK. Okay, save this. Go back. Okay, now here we have to define it. Specify is there. Okay, put away control thing here, it's not required for us. Okay, if it is not there also, we can able to define these things. Okay, now specify storage type search sequence is there. Okay, specify storage type search sequence is there. Just go here. See, it is important. Okay, this is important and optimization is important. Without this, you cannot able to do the search sequence. Okay, you cannot do any put away strategies or the remove strategies. Okay, here I'll go to the position 1100. For this, we have given only these two things. See, if it is a 1100 and if the warehouse process type is 1010, it should go to the SCQ1. It is 1100, and if it is the warehouse process type is F010, then it should go to the SCQ2. Now I will going to define my entire two things. Okay, what I'll going to define, just check. If it is 1100 warehouse number, then my stock type, if it is Q3, if the stock type is Q3, then stock should go to the quality storage type search sequence. For this quality storage type search sequence, which storage type I have assigned here?
QUAL, right?
Yes, quality only I have assigned. So it will go to the quality storage type like that. So second thing, 1100, and if my stock type is B5, okay, it should go to the BLCK. Okay, here I have assigned the blocked storage type. Okay, whatever I have created block, no, that one I have assigned here. Okay, so this is what I have given the idea. Okay, here put away rule is there. This is for addition to existing stock and all. You can able to define it here also. Okay, if you want to, or else just leave it. Okay, so this one it is not required. Yes.
Okay, so this also helps us to identify. I mean, even though the sequence has been provided, still, if we want to particularly maintain this quality stock or block stock, put away rule for the next bin or next empty bin, we can choose over here.
Yes. Yes. Okay. And this has to be maintained in the means what is the storage type as well. Okay.
Yes, that's what I was about.
If you have asked maintained in the storage type, need not to give it over here. Okay, so need not to provide it over here. It will going to take automatically, because in the quality and block we have already given addition to existing stock. Okay, so it will take directly, not an issue. Okay, so here
we normally are having two places where we are maintaining this put away rules, right?
Correct.
So if we want to maintain in both location, yes, we can maintain, or else even if we maintain in one location, that would be applicable for both.
Correct, you are right.
So whether the changes will also happen over here automatically if we change it in storage type?
I don't think so. We'll just check that. Okay, I'll just put next empty bin here. Okay, let me check. Okay, I'll just save this. Okay, let me save this. What is there in the storage type? We'll check it. Okay. So here quality is there. In the quality I have made it 5, but here it is 2 only. It is a little bit controversy. If I'm not giving here and giving 5 over there, then it will be a good thing. Okay. Only one. If you are maintaining both the sides, you have to maintain both the same in the both the sides. If you are maintaining at one level, then it is also okay like that. It shouldn't be like you are maintaining some 2 here, means addition to existing stock, and there you are maintaining 5, that is next empty bin, then it is a problem. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will just
There
remove
will
this.
be a conflict.
Yeah, it will be a conflict. Yeah. Okay. So I have defined. See, I will just go back and I will just take 1110. See, we have defined 4 things now. Okay, one thing is based upon the stock type, it should move to some different search sequence. Okay, and this is one process whereas whereas process type, it is going to the sequence and sequence 2. Correct. Now I am going to bring some quality materials. Okay, quality and block material. How it will going to react? We'll going to check. Before that, I have to define the optimization. Okay, optimization for the search sequence. So here I have given only for this particular part, okay, whereas process type, okay. Now I will say new entries 1100. If 1100 is there, sequence 2 I am providing sequence 2. Observe here, okay, and sequence 2 I am giving the stock type. Actually, the stock type in the optimization, actually, the stock type will going to get the highest priority. It will going to get the highest priority if it is sequence 2. Okay, I'll just explain it like this. Okay, 1 minute. I'll show both the things and I can explain. Go back.
So it is same like in purchasing we have condition records as well as purchase info record. We have metal master price.
Correct.
But when we are trying to create PO, first it will try to check whether we do have purchase info record. And if it is not there, then it will go for next sequence.
Yes,
okay,
exactly.
do we have any contract or something agreement?
No, first it will going to take from the contract, then the PIR, then it will going to take from the previous PO, or else we have to enter manually, or else yeah, you have to enter manually like that. The purchase order price will going to take there. No, it means whenever you are defining through the stock type now, the first priority should be given to the stock type. Okay, but right now I am giving differently, but it is okay because the stock type characteristics are different because I'm not bringing the materials. Okay, with okay, so okay, we are bringing the materials with 1010 and F010. Correct now? What it will going to do? We're going to test it here. Okay, this is my first condition. As I defined, stock type will going to take the first priority. Got the idea?
We can't check all the requirements.
We can check all the requirements. We can check. So first it will going to check for the process type control indicator. Then it will going to check for the stock type. Like that, if you are checking, your optimization should be okay. Your specify optimization 1100. Your optimization should be here. You should give 1100 and F010. Then only it will going to take like that. Okay.
Okay, if that is the case, then we will not be able to provide in different permutation, right? I mean, it will not directly go to storage type. First, it will check for process type, and then it will go for stock type.
That is what I said.
It will go for subsequence.
Correct. That is what I said. Like if you are taking the stock type has to give the primary priority. That is what I'm telling you, right? So in the optimization, you have to provide the stock type as the primary priority. Sequence 1, I should maintain for the stock type. Sequence 2, I should maintain for the other things. Okay. We may have some different things, but for other things, we have to give the next sequences. But first priority should be given to the stock type. Okay. Yeah. First, what I will do, I will just going to create one PO now. /n. Okay, PO with both the quality and block stock we will going to create. Okay. ME21N document overview on Okay, this one is our previous purchase order. Just I'm going to adopt this. Okay, here only mat 2 is there. Mat 1 is not there. Okay, I have to adopt this also. Okay, mat 1, mat 2, now both are available. So when I'll going to select mat 1, okay, let us consider mat 1. I'm ordering some 5 materials, okay, and go to the delivery. Here you can change the stock type. I'll take the quality stock of mat 1. Okay, mat 1, I'm taking the quality stock. Click enter. Go to the mat 2. Okay, here I'm going to take the block stock. Okay, I'm bringing 5 block stocks and 5 quality stocks. Okay, here also I'm going to make 5. And confirmation key, if you are checking both the side, the confirmation key should be there. Then only it will go into create the inbound delivery. All else no. Okay, now I am creating the PO with the quality and block stock. Just save this. Okay, I have saved the what is that PO? Okay, 1224. Okay, so I'll just go to /n PL31N. Okay, this is the PO for us. Okay, just give the external ID like storage type search sequence, quality and block stock type. Okay, based on stock type like that also you can take. Okay, so just click enter. Okay, I am going to take two quantities. Let us assume two quantities. I am bringing the block stock, and 2 quantities I am bringing the quality stock. Just save this PO. Sorry, inbound delivery. Okay, so here I got one inbound delivery number. Okay, so now I have to go to the PIDI screen. Okay, so just go to the PIDI screen here. Just give a number. Before that, check the default values. Okay, it should be 1100. Then only it will take. Okay, though this is the number, just execute this. See here, if you are going to the line item and checking, your what is that stock type will be B5 here. Okay, for this it will be B5. But observe this, F010 is the warehouse process type. Okay, F010 is the warehouse process type. And if you are opening the mat 1, the second line item, the Q3 is the stock type and 101 is the warehouse process type. Okay. Now we'll just proceed with this. Okay. Just go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay. I'll just click on this and say create. See where it will be going now, where it should go now. This is the B5 stock. Where it should go now.
So block
yes, okay, to the block storage type. But why it is going to the ST03? Any idea? It is going to the ST03, right? See, now I am going to do this one. It will go to the ST01, okay? It is going to the ST01. Why?
So first is considering which types of sequence given, right? Warehouse.
Jay, it is not loud. please, what do you say?
Storage type search sequence given.
Yes, okay. So in the specified in the optimization, as I said, okay, in the optimization is we have to give the first priority to the stock types I have said, but which priority we have given? The second priority. Am I right? I'll show that. I'll show that to you. Okay, here you see in this two, okay, first priority we should give it to the stock type I said, but we have given the process type, warehouse process type, the first priority, then we have given to the stock type. Okay, so that is why it is going to take the first priority only. First priority for the warehouse process type, because warehouse process type, if it is 1010, it will going to search for some ST01, ST02, something like that. If it is a F010, then it is choosing for ST03 and ST04, correct? So that is why it is taking this priority and it is moving. Okay, so I will just change it. Okay, I'll just go back. I don't want to save this. Okay, say no.
So we are giving in the WPT some. Can you go on last page?
Okay, this one.
Yeah. Procurement type. Anywhere we have given the ST01 or ST02 procurement type.
Procurement type ST01 and ST02.
No. How that ST01 and ST02 can be?
Oh, it is picking. Okay. Yeah. I see here. I'll go to the specify storage types as sequence. Within this, I'll search for mine. Okay, 1100. Here it is there, no? If it is 1010, okay, if it is 1010, it should go to the SCQ1. SCQ1, what are the storage types are there? ST01 and ST02. If it is F010, then it should go to the SCQ2. Here, ST03 and 4 are there. Okay. So, and here we have optimization. I said stock type should take the first priority, but we have given the second priority for that, right? So that is why I will change this first. Okay, in this, I'll just give the first priority over here and second priority to the warehouse process type. Okay, now you observe it. Okay, just save this thing. I have changed it over here. Okay, just go back. Okay, try to proceed it further. Okay, see again the same thing will go into 3 quality. See Q3 is there for the mat 1. Sorry, and mat 1 correct line item 2, and it will be blocked. Okay, B5 is there for the line item 2. Okay, you can see this thing. I will proceed with the inbound delivery following functions warehouse task. Okay, now yes. Yeah, now I am taking the mat 2, okay, which is the B5 stop. Where it will go if I'm saying create? Okay.
PLCK.
Yeah, one minute. Yeah, could not determine the destination data. It is saying, okay, we can able to analyze this. Okay, this is one error. We may get it while creating the storage types. Okay, what is the destination data? Why it is not taking like that? We can analyze it. Sometimes, okay, in the quality stock and all, we might not be having the bins. Okay, here if you go to the log, okay, you can able to find it out. Here it is saying, okay, for determination of the destination storage type, okay, it is taking for the BLCK. See here, BLCK storage type, and it is moved to the BLCK storage type. Then it is going for the bin, okay. Start of the destination storage bin type, okay, bin type is defined. Put away behavior, storage type is BLCK, split during put away activity for the storage type.
Okay, we have not created bins.
Yeah, see here, no empty bins. Okay, so no suitable empty bins found in the storage type BLCK. Like that, it is saying that is fine. I'll just create 1 or 2 bins over there, and we're going to proceed further. Okay, and what I have to do, just go to the /n/scwl/ls01. So here, just give the LCK bin 2. Let us consider. Okay, and here I'll say LCK. Okay, sorry, LCK. Save it. Okay, again sorting might not have happened for this. Okay, we'll just do the sorting as well. Bin call CU area bin 2. Okay, we have defined our 2 bins here. Okay, because which bin it has to consider, we have to give the sorting for this. Okay, for sorting /n/CWM/SB. ST is for sorting above the bins. Okay, just give the activity area. What is the okay, we don't have created the activity area itself for this block, and what is that these things. Okay, so if you have not created the activity area, how will going to proceed further? Correct, no? Activity area is not
here.
Exactly. Okay, in the storage it is not going to allow. Okay, so I'm going to create the activity area. Go to the SPRO here, IMG, SCM EWM, extended warehouse management. Here master data, activity area. So I'll just create generate activity area based upon the storage type. What is my storage type here? PUAL is one storage type. Okay, For all the activity I'm generating, I'll say generate. I'll say okay. It is done. DLCK, I'm going to do it. Execute. It is generated. Okay. Now you go for the SBST /SCWM/SBST. Okay, bin sorting. Okay, I'll just execute for everything. Okay, whatever the activity is there under the 1100 for everything, it is going to execute. Okay, if you just want to take BLCK, it is came and QUL, it is came. Okay, so we have executed for everything now. So just go back to the strategies here. Okay, this is some errors will be there. Okay, we have to resolve these errors, then we have to move. Okay, just go back now. Don't save this. Okay, and again we will go to the inbound delivery, follow-on functions, and warehouse task. Okay, I'll just click on this and say create. Okay, if any errors are there, again it is going to show. Now it is shown. Green means it is moving to BLCK. Stop. Okay, bin 2 is there. Okay, that is why it is moving to the bin 2. Got it? And I am saying for this, I'll click and I'll going to create. Should go to the quality. Okay. See, it is taking the quality bin. Any doubts here?
No.
Okay, like this, we're going to take it. If we are bringing some stock types and all, we will going to take something like this. We can able to define it based upon the PED also. PED, party entitled to dispose. We know our party entitled to dispose is 186. Okay, whatever the material it is coming, okay, it should go to some certain storage type, or it should find certain sequence also. We can able to define how. Okay, if you want save it, just save it. Others. Okay, and just I have shown this. Save it. Now what we'll do, we're going to create some different strategy here. Okay, see, I'll going to go through the PED. Okay, just go to the specify storage type search sequence. Here say new entries. So if the PED is there, let us consider I will going to create some other. Okay, we have whatever the storage types we have, I'm just checking it. Okay, SPRO, IMG, here SCMEWM, extended warehouse management. Go to the master data. Here storage types. Okay, for 1100, we have these many different storage types. Okay, some different storage. Okay, test is there. No, we can able to test on this particular what is that storage type. Okay, here this is one we have given it for, like we have tested it. Okay, for availability group we have given it as TST, and based upon the availability group it is changing its stock type. Okay, don't worry about the stock type. What our concern is, if I have given the PED, then the material should come to the test TEST storage type. Like that I want to define. How I can able to define? Just observe this. Okay, here again we have to create one more search sequence for this. Okay, one more search sequence, then we have to assign. Okay, and just go back, see what I'm doing. Define storage type search sequence for put away. I'll just say new entries 1100. Okay, I'll just taking the test only. It is my storage type sequence. Okay, test storage type search sequence, like that I'm going to define it here. Just save this. Okay, whenever I'm taking the based on PED, okay, if the PED is 186, then it should go to the test. Like that I'm defining. Okay, nothing else. Okay, and this is one, and go back, assign storage type to storage type search sequence. Okay, I'll say new entries. Okay, 1100. If this is the warehouse, storage type search sequence is test, and that should go to the test storage type. Okay, that should go to the test storage type. Okay, the only one storage type I am assigning under this. Go back. There is no put away control indicator is required for us. Okay, go to the specify storage type search sequence here. How are we going to specify this? Okay, just say new entries. Okay, 1100. PED. Okay, disposal party is there. No, this one we have to give. What is our PED? 186, right? If it is 186, it should find test as a storage type search sequence. Okay, just save this. Got the idea what I am giving?
Yeah, we may have to provide the bins also, right? I mean, we may have to create bins and then we may have to provide. for test?
Yeah, we have to create the activity area for this, and we have to do this, right? We will going to do that. We can give like this also, or else combination also I can give. I'll just delete this. Okay, combination. How combination I'm telling? See, I'll say new entries. Warehouse number is 1100. My warehouse process type is 1010. If it is 1010, then only it will go to the party entitled dispose is 186. Search sequence it should take test. Okay, if it is 1010, then only it will go to the test. Okay. If it is F010, what it will do? We are not defining. Okay, if it is F010, then also it should go to the test. Then we can able to define that also. See, 1100. If it is F010, then if the party entitled to dispose is 186, then it should go to the test. Like that also I can able to define. See, got the idea now what I am doing here?
But we have provided the combination 1010 and F010 with storage.
But here
type, right?
I am including it with the party entitled to dispose.
Okay, so which one is priority? More first priority storage type or
no, stock type is the first priority. Stock type.
okay.
Okay, then we can give, okay, based upon the whatever the party entitled to dispose and all it is there, it will going to choose this one only. Okay, how I will going to take in the optimization, that will it will going to take. Okay, that one it will.
Party entitled is only one we have, huh? So how we
but we have the two different warehouse process type now. This is only one, you are right, but two warehouse process types are available. Correct? Okay, I'm just saving this. In the optimization, see what I'll do in the optimization. In the optimization search sequence, okay, 1100 sequence 2 is there. I'll just tick PED over here only. Okay, 1 minute. 1100. Okay, for the sequence 2, PED also I'm going to take for this party entitled to dispose. I am taking the warehouse process type as well as the PED. Got the idea? If
okay,
these
so the first
both are there,
priority will be stock type, storage type, and if the combination is not there, then it will go for next sequence and it will check for both ones.
Yes,
so
both the things. Yes, F010 it will check,
type.
and PED if it is 186, then it will go for the search sequence test. If it is a 1010 warehouse process type, and if it is, the PED is 186, then it will go for the search sequence test like this. Okay. Yeah, I'll just save this. Okay. Let's create that. What is that? Activity area. Okay. So that is important thing. Okay. Create the activity area and just generate it. Okay. I'm creating for test. Execute. Control data. Okay. 1 minute.
TST.
Generate activity of from storage type. TXT. It is there now. Yeah, now it is creating. Okay. So again, I'll go to the SPST/N/SCWM/SPST. Okay, any bins are there, then it will going to do this. Okay, TEST is the activity area for me. Okay, then I'll just execute. I might be having the bins within this. Okay, test bin is there. Okay, let it be. Okay, just execute this and go back. Okay, so I have created one strategy now. Okay, whatever the material which is coming with the PED 186 and warehouse process type 1010 and F010. Yes.
One quick query. Can you go back to previous screen?
Yeah.
Activity area we have created, right?
Yes.
Okay. So right now we have created 1010, then F010, and right now we have also tested for quality and block.
Correct.
So now we have maintained for which activity area? I mean test. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so how about this activity? How this activity area, whatever we are creating, we are going to maintain over here based on the warehouse number.
Correct.
So in activity also, are we going to choose anything?
Yeah, you have to choose, but I'm creating for all the activities. 8 activities are there. Okay, see, 1 minute. See, this is the CL, SP, and INTL, INV. These are the some 8 activities are there. I'm creating for everything like that. If you are not giving the activity area, whatever the activity area is there under the warehouse number, it will going to create it for everything. Sorting will be done for everything. If you are giving an activity area, then for this activity area only, for all the activities under this activity area, for all the activities, it will going to sort the bins. If you are specifying the activity for put away, okay, PTWI is the put away, okay. So only for the put away, it will going to do that. Got the idea?
Oh, okay.
So I'm just taking for everything, okay. So okay, so this is done. Now we will going to create one PO again. Okay, or else whatever the PO is there, we are just bringing the stock like that. I'm going to do /n PL31N and just take. Okay, this one I'm going to make it as 2. Okay, copy. This is the storage type SAS sequence based upon the PED. Okay, just click enter. One material we take. Save it. Now we have created our inbound delivery. Okay, so it is a notification what we have saved here. Okay, go to the PIDI screen. Okay, /n/SCWM/PRDI. Okay, just put your inbound delivery number here, execute it. Okay, there is no stock type. Okay, based upon the stock type we have to define, but there is no stock type. It is coming here. Okay, Q3, Q5, nothing is there. Okay, we are bringing C here. This material is there. Okay, the line item material 1 is there, line item 1. If you are going and checking this line item 1 here, your warehouse process type is 186 1010 warehouse process type, and PED is 186. Okay, PED is 186 and warehouse process type is 1010. Okay, this is for the first material, and for the second material you can check this. F010 is the warehouse process type and 186 is the PED. Okay, if I have given both the combinations, if both the combinations are available, then it should go to the test. Okay, storage type. Correct, no? We'll just observe that whether it is happening or not. Okay, so warehouse task. So just check this and go to the create. Okay, it is saying green color. Where it is going? It is going to the test. Okay, and second one also you just check it. Just say create. It is also going to the test only. No, couldn't be determined. Okay, what is the issue and all? We can able to rectify this.
Storage bin we have not yet created.
Okay, yeah. Storage bin we have not yet created for the Mac2. Okay, so yes, you are right. Okay, we have to create. Okay, anyway, this bin is there. Okay, yeah, bin will be different. Okay, Mat1 it is fitting in one particular bin. Okay, if you are just double clicking on this. Okay.
We have created bins for first material. Second
test bin it is there. No, it is not like that. It should put the test bin only if we have created. It is going to the test. For this F010, then 186 is the PED. PED is 186. Then it should go to the test. Okay, the test. Okay, yes. We have to create one more bin. Okay, I'll just create one more bin and we're going to try it out. /n/SCWM/mat1. Sorry, 1 minute. I'll just go back. Delivery, warehouse. Okay, warehouse task. I'll first do this. Okay. See, still it is saying some error only. Okay, so could not determine the destination data. Okay, if you're checking this, nothing is there. Okay, there is no message log, nothing. If you go down, no suitable empty bins. Okay, there is no empty bins found. As you are right. Okay, we have to create the bins for this, then only it will pick the bin. Okay, for this /n/SCWM/ls 01. Okay. Here, test bin 2. Save this. Again, I have to do the sorting for this /n/scwm. Yes.
One question. How we can identify our bin have been full? We have created one bin. Okay.
Mhm.
We putting in 3 quantity earlier. Okay.
Okay.
And that bin has been full. So he is asking for there is no bins are there.
Okay.
You are going to create another bin for that particular PIDI. Correct. So how you are identifying?
See here it is only defined. No, here if you go down.
Yeah. Is there any report we can see this bin are
No. Report in the sense in the monitor only you can able to check. Okay, whether the pins are available or not, like that. Okay. Or else LS11 is the one transaction where you can see the pins which are there for the particular storage type.
Or else LS03 we can go and check.
No, LS03 means you can check only for one bin. Okay, in one bin how many means how much materials are fitted and all you can able to check. But in LS11 how many pins are there for particular storage type you can check.
LS11. Okay.
Yeah, that is a mass change. There you can able to check everything.
No, so LS10 is mass change, right?
LS10 is for the generation of the bin.
Okay.
Sometimes we also face like this. We have put it in metal masters weight of 2 kg. Okay, and when we are receiving the goods of 10 material, that is coming 20 kg. Okay,
yes.
And we have put it bin weightage is 10 kg only.
Okay.
Bin type is 10 kg. So that is stucking. We are not able to do the PIDI. So again, we have to change the this pin type.
No. We can do the PID. No, 5 materials going to put in one bin and next 5 it is going to put in another bin. That's it.
Okay, where we have to select that one.
I will show that. Okay, just now I have not yet come to that part. Okay, I'll take it after this. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll just close this. Okay, go back. Go to the warehouse. Okay, following functions, warehouse task. Okay, this one I have to check. Okay, create. I'm saying. Okay, now it is going to the second bin. Okay, bin 2 it is going, and this one is going to the first bin. Okay, means earlier bin it is going. Okay, that's it. So like this, we can able to define our different strategies. Okay, as you asked. Okay, if I'm bringing more material, how it is going to do and all. Okay, actually I should take it in the further classes. Whether I should tell it now only, if it is okay, shall we take it?
No, for that class we can.
Okay, because when I will going to define about the put away rules. Okay, rules I'm telling. Okay, like empty bin, next empty bin, adjacent to existing stock. Okay, that time we'll going to take that part. Okay, so that will means I will going to cover that. Okay, so right now we are just looking at the what is that only for the what is that strategies for the stock type. Okay, so we'll based upon the stock type strategies we'll be looking it now. Okay, so those things I'll be covering. Okay, don't worry about that. And next thing is this is the first strategy what we have defined. Okay, this is the first strategy, that is about the storage type search. Okay, storage type search we have defined it now. Okay, so these are all the different activities what we have to consider. Now what I'll do, we have created the put away control indicator. So what I am doing, so just for showing I have created all these things. So all these things is not required for us, level 1, level 0. If you want to delete these things, or else now how I will going to define this PED part, I am going to define delete, and I'm going to define my own, like based upon the put away control indicator and the warehouse process type, the stock should move to SCQ1 and SCQ2, like that I'm going to define. Okay, so I'll say new entries. So warehouse process type is 1100. Put away is what is that? Put 1. Okay.
PUT1.
Yes, 1010. It should go to the sequence 1. And if it is 1100 and put 2, And if it is F010, then it should go to the SCQ2. Okay, this one I'm going to determine. Okay, just save this. Okay, in the optimization also, how I should change it. Okay, go back. I will go to the optimization here. Okay, optimize search sequence. Here, stock type, let it be. Okay, if you don't want to take any stock type, just delete this also. Here, I will going to choose only put away strategy and various process type. Okay, only these two things I'm going to take. Party and title dispose. I'm disabling it. Okay, just save this. And I have
right now it is going to check priority as stock type first, and then it will come for the next put away strategy as well as
exactly. Okay. Now I don't have the put away, means I have not yet given the put away strategies in the what is that, materials. Okay, and just go back here. I have not yet saved it. Okay. Now it will going to throw an error. Okay, and just show you. If you go to the inbound delivery, following functions and various tasks, I have changed it. Okay, how I have changed it? Based upon the put away strategy and the put away control indicator and the various process step, it should go to the sequence 1 and sequence 2, correct? But right now I'll just say create. Okay, it will throw an error. Why it is throwing an error? See, storage type says wildcard. Okay, means something is missing in storage type. Okay, for this also it will going to throw an error because I have not assigned I have removed my put 1 and put 2 from the materials. So that is why it is giving the error. Okay. And now I'll go to the materials. Okay. /n/scwm/mat1. Okay. I'm going to give the put 1 here. Put 1 and put 2. Okay, after this only, whatever Sunil has know, that one we're going to cover. Okay, then we're going to finish the class. Whatever rules we'll take and we're going to finish it. Okay. Sorry, it's not coming fast. Okay. Mat 1, I have to go. It's taking some time.
I think you have to log in once again, right?
Yeah, it is starting the application. Everything it is working, but it's slow. Okay, yeah, it came. Okay, mat 2, I'm going to change it. For the mat 2, I have given put 2, right? In the warehouse data, go and give the put 2 here. Okay. Save it. Go back.
Okay, so if we don't have the combination of put away strategy rules available over here, and even if we maintain all the put away strategies in sequence, again it is going to fail.
Yes, definitely. No. Put 1, I'm going to provide it here. Just save it.
This is the primary control for put away control.
Correct. Whatever I'm going to give it in the material, no, that is the primary control. You are right. Okay. And just
we have to define as per the requirement. I mean, for each and every material, we are going to choose this prod 1 and we are going to choose this put away indicator as a mandatory one. Until unless we don't maintain it, it is going to fail.
Yeah, means if it is required, then only you're going to maintain it. If it is not required, then it is not. Okay. Put 1 and put 2.
Now we have not maintained, we got this error.
Yes,
right?
yeah, but exactly.
This will happen.
Correct.
Client is requiring this strategy like automation in the bit selection. Then it will we will give this customization. Otherwise, we will do the manual method.
Yes, correct. You are right. Yeah. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just go to the inbound delivery warehouse task. Okay. Now it will take. Okay, we'll just check that. If anything is there, again we're going to rectify. Okay. I'll just say create here. Okay. It is taking. Which one it is taking? ST0. It is considered. Correct. And if I'm going to select this and go and create over here, it will going to choose the ST03. So this is how it is considered. Got the idea? Any doubts here?
ST03, how it is coming like F010.
Yeah, the F010 is there. Okay.
F010.
And I have given the put away control indicator, put 2 in the mag 2.
ST03 and ST04.
Yeah, Shri, for the
Yes.
first part,
Yeah, this one.
we have not given that the optimize that Utaway strategy thing confidence.
Optimization. Okay, I have given this. Okay, I'll just say here, this one you just observe it. Okay, I have given
Second
put
one
away
is
control indicator and the process warehouse process type. Based on these things, now it is moving.
For the first one,
It is a stock type.
first,
Stock type it is not. I'm not bringing the stock type, right? Different stock types I'm not bringing. Q3, Q5. Sorry, Q3, B5. I'm not bringing them. Am I right?
So primary stock type, and then secondary we are going for sequence, and in sequence we are maintaining put away strategy and process type.
Yes.
okay. So for the second sequence, if I remove this, then based on the stock type, it will be saved.
Yeah, exactly. If I'm bringing some B3 stock, okay, or sorry, B5 stock or a Q3 stock, it will not going to consider this. It will just take this and it will move. That's it.
No, here we have to remove this for the second sequence. These check boxes we have to remove, right?
Here, you are telling Ajay?
No.
What I am asking is, if we want based on the stock type, for the second sequence, these check boxes need to be removed, right?
No. If you remove also, see, stock type is the first priority. What we have specified in the stock type, okay? We have just specified only two things, okay? In the 1010, if it is B5, then it will come to the BLCK. If it is Q3, then it will going to come to the Q1. But our stock types are not the B5 and Q3 here, okay? They are the F1 and F1 stock types are available. Okay. If you are bringing the stock type Q3 and B5, definitely it will going to take the this priority only. Okay, this will go to the Q3 means it will go to the quality storage type or the search sequence. It will going to find this. B5 means it will going to search the BLCK. Got it? Okay.
No,
So-
I think he is having a question on sequence. Can you go to sequence screen?
Okay.
Srini?
Yeah, here is the sequence screen.
So in this sequence,
Okay.
we have chosen sequence 1 with storage type as primary.
Correct.
And if we maintain storage type in sequence 2 also, then it is going to consider for storage type, and then it will go for put away strategy and process type. Am I right?
No,
Primary.
we shouldn't tick it over here.
That's the question right now.
Okay.
So if we are choosing this 3,
Uh-huh.
which one will be the primary priority? Whether
Yeah.
sequence 1
Primary
check
priority will be sequence 1 only, but here if you are choosing, it will going to check for all the things, okay? Whether stock type is available or not, all these things it will going to check.
Actually, for 1001 sequence, stock type is checked, okay?
Huh?
For
It is checked.
1002, this put away strategies that I am unchecking that box.
Okay.
Process type I am unchecking.
Okay.
So now it will be the sequence will be done based on the stock type, right?
Yes. Sequence 2 also, it will go for stock type. But
it will not going to take anything, okay? If you are just choosing this
first
thing.
priority.
You are saying like in the same, you are not creating the sequence. Anything, yeah. Both are same line, yeah.
Both the same line, that is why it is waste only. If you are just giving over here, then that is a better thing.
Then
Why
it
you want
will
to give it
directly
here?
go to sequence 1 only, it will not go to sequence 2 at all.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now the next question. So in sequence, storage type you have provided as sequence 1.
Okay.
And
Stock
you
type I
don't
have provided.
bins. You don't have bins.
Okay.
Then will it come to sequence
No,
2
no,
and it will check
no, it will throw an error.
Error,
Okay.
error.
It will throw error. Okay, it will not going to come to the second sequence too. Okay. This is to just to optimize, okay.
And for 101, if I remove that stock type,
101. Okay, this one. Okay, sequence 1.
and if I remove uncheck that stock type,
Okay.
the first one,
Mm-hmm.
now it will be this sorting means its sequence will be there based on the put away strategy and process type.
You are right.
That
Yes.
one sequence one is not no meaning of creation. Yes, no meaning that creation of this.
Correct. So here we are not choosing
Why
it
we are
means
creating that?
it
Yeah.
will just take,
Why we are
okay,
creating.
I'll just delete this, okay, not an issue. Okay, now save it. Now also it will going to take.
Yeah.
Okay, only if this is there, then also it will going to take. I'll just go back and we're going to check this, okay. So I have not yet saved it. Go back. Go to the inbound delivery, following functions and warehouse task. Okay, if we are creating it now also it is going to take, okay, because we have given that, okay, because what we have given, if it is 1010 and put away control indicator is mentioned in the material, put 1, then it should go to the search sequence ST0, sorry, SCQ1 is the search sequence. Under SCQ1 we have assigned storage type 1 and storage type 2.
ST02.
Yes, and if it is taking F010 and put 2 combination,
ST03 and 4.
yeah, 3 and 4 it is taking. That's it. Okay.
Now this is wrong, right?
Huh?
This is second material.
Material
No,
two.
actually you have removed the first one. Second.
That is for material combination. If we are looking for material 1, we have provided put away strategy, and based on that we have sequence 1, sequence 2 is there. So it will go for sequence 1 and it will pick ST01 and 2 for sequence, and it will go for second material. It will check for sequence and it will pull ST03. If ST03 is full, then it will go to ST04.
Can you show me this, Sri, please?
Which one?
Now, based on the sequence is saying, right?
For F010, can you open the sequence?
Okay. Here is the sequence, okay. If it is F010, it will go to the S sequence 2. Okay. This is what we have defined, and sequence 2 is having 2 storage types, that is ST01 and ST02. Okay. Here I will go down. Okay, see here, sequence 2. First sequence it is taking ST03 and second it is going to take the ST04. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I am going to tell about the put away rules. Okay. Here, if you are going to the storage type, okay, fashion SC, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, master data, and here storage type. Okay. 1100. See, ST01 I have provided, ST01, ST03, all this I have provided, put away rule as 2. Okay, that is addition to existing stock. Okay, addition to existing stock. And I have given the split during put away. Okay, split during put away means, see, as you asked, okay, Sunish just now asked, right? If I am bringing.
I asked.
Oh, okay, you asked, okay. So let us consider you are bringing. Okay, I'll show you the bin capacity. What is the bin capacity in the ST01? Okay, for all ST01 we have given some bin capacity. That one I'm going to show you first. Where we can see that in the LS11 we can see that. Okay. /n/SCWM/LS11. If you go here, go to the storage type ST01. If you have assigned the storage bin type, then only it will show. Okay, if or else no. I'll just execute it. See,
mass changes.
Maximum is 10 cases I have given here. Okay. Maximum 10 cases I have given. Okay. And I'll just check it for the ST02 also. ST02. Just execute this. I have given 50 cases for this. Correct? Now what I'll be doing? I will just go to the, okay, I'll just create one more warehouse process. Sorry, one more inbound delivery /n/SCWM/mag1. Okay, inbound delivery we are creating, and here I have shown in the warehouse I have given this split during put away, right? here if you are opening this, split during put away. Do not split during the put away is one option. Split during put away is another option. And second, product master decides is the third option. Okay. Now I'll just take, do not split during the put away. I'm going to take this. Okay. And I have given the rule addition to existing stock. Okay. Just observe this. Means whatever the bin, if it is taking, okay, if some bins are vacant, okay, within the bins some space is vacant, then it will going to take. Okay. In ST0 we have lot many bins. Okay. Lot many bins, but they are of only 10 kgs. Okay. They are of only 10 kgs. Correct. So I'll just save this. Okay. I'll just save this. And go to the VL01N, okay, /N, VL31N, sorry, it is for creation of the inbound delivery. I'm just taking this copy. Now put away rules, okay, put away rules. Okay, I'm taking 10 materials here, 10 materials for this, 10 materials for this, okay. Just save this, okay. Material 2, where it is going, in which storage type it is going?
ST01 only it will go, right?
No, material 2 I'm asking. Material 2 we have defined some different things. That will go to the ST03 and ST04, right?
Right, right.
/N, you know that, right? Okay, now I will go to the PIDI screen. Okay, and go back here, leave it, okay. Just take your new inbound delivery, okay. So PIDI screen. I'll take the new inbound delivery, okay. Execute this. Here I have brought 10 materials, okay. I have brought 10 materials, and the material 1 it should go to the ST01 and ST02, correct? And I have shown split during put away. I have disabled it. I'll just go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Just observe how it is going to happen now. If I'm just say create here, which storage type it should take?
ST03,
ST01.
ST01 it should take. Correct.
No, that is for material 1, right?
Yeah, material 1 only. I'm taking material 1 only. No, it won't.
Material 2, we have ST01 and 2.
No, bro.
Mat 1.
Material 1 we have ST01 and ST02. Okay. Please don't get confused here. Okay. For mat 1 we have defined ST01 and ST02. Mat 2 ST03 and ST04. Okay. And I have shown you just now. Here I have shown you LS11. Okay. /N/SCWM/LS11. Here I have shown how much capacity is there for the ST01. ST01 capacity is maximum 10 kg only. Okay. It is having maximum 10 kg only. And I have removed the split during put away. Means what? Whenever you are bringing some material, okay. And if the material is, let us consider, I'll just show you in the Excel sheet. Okay. Here is the storage type. Okay. This is my storage type. In this, we have some bins. Okay. Don't worry about the sections. I have all these bins. Okay. These are the bins for me. Now, in this bin, around 10 kg it has to take maximum day. Okay. 10 kg means for material, we have given 2 kgs. In this bin, let us consider 5 material are occupied. Okay. The first bin. Okay. This is bin 1. Okay. Like that, I'm going to give until bin 10. We have the different bins here. Some bins are available. For the second, no, it has occupied with the 3 materials. Third bin, it is occupied with the 2 bins, 2 materials. Let us consider like this. Means what? It is occupied all the 10 kgs. How much it is occupied with? Second bin? 6 kgs. Third bin? 4 kgs. Now, whatever the material, 10 materials I am bringing, okay, 10 materials I am bringing now, the total kgs is 20 kgs. Okay, so total kg is 20. Now, if I want to put this, okay, and the rule is, what is the rule we have in the storage type? It is addition to existing stock. Okay, addition to existing stock means it can take the, it can occupy the materials here, correct? It can occupy the materials here. Means here 3 is there means I can able to put another 2 materials here, and here another 3 materials. Here it will going to put 5 like that. I will going to put the materials, correct? No. Okay, and I have removed split during put away. I have removed split during put away means what if I'm bringing 10 materials, if I'm giving the split during put away, it will going to search for the bins. Okay, adjacent to existing stock is there, that is correct. But split during put away, I have disabled it for the ST01. That time, splitting will not going to take place. Whatever the 10 materials I have to, I will bring now, it has to go to one bin only. Okay, it has to go to one direct bin. Because splitting will not going to take place here. Getting the idea?
Yes, yes.
So
Yeah,
then how it will going to act, we'll going to check it here. Okay, I'll just go to the what is that PIDI? So here I'll just say create. Which storage type it should take now? MAT1.
ST01.
But I have removed the split during put away. It is having only 10 kg of weight. I am bringing 10 materials means 20 kg I am bringing here. 20 kg I am bringing. Yes, it will go for the ST02. I'll say create. Okay, just observe it. Okay, it will going to take the ST02 now. Because I have removed the split during put away. ST02 is having a maximum weight capacity of 50 kg. So it will go to the 50 kg. Got the idea?
Okay, so is it possible? Can we change it over here to ST01 even though the
Yes,
strategy is
I'll do that. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I'll just say create again. Okay, it will directly go to the ST03 because 100 kg is the weight capacity here. It will
yeah,
go.
that is split is available over there.
No. 100 kg is there. Okay. Although split is available or not, 100 kg is the weight capacity for bin. Okay, if you are removing everywhere the split during put away, then also it is going to take here. Okay. Because 100 kg is the weight capacity, bro. 100 kg is the weight capacity. Only I am bringing 20 kg.
Yeah, Sri,
Yes.
for the MAT1, if you want to store in the ST01 means we have to
I will do that.
split
Okay.
during split up.
Yeah, I will going to apply the split during put away now, and I'm going to show you what will going to happen. Okay, I'll just go over here. Where is that? Okay, storage type. Sorry, I have to go to the storage type. I'll just assign the split during put away. I'm going to give 1. Okay, and I'll just say save. Okay, I'll go back to the PIDO screen. Go to the inbound delivery. Here, warehouse task. Here, DI screen. Sorry. Okay, so here I'll say create now. Which storage type it should take? ST01, but it will going to divide the materials. Okay, addition to existing stock we have given, so it will going to search for the materials. Okay, so here I can able to put 2, here I can able to put 3, here I can able to put 5. Like that, it will going to segregate the different bins. Okay.
So sorting will happen if the put away split indicator is there. Automatically based on the existing stock which is available on the bin, it will go and check on the bin level how much stock is available, and it will split accordingly.
Correct.
From top to bottom.
Yeah, here in the ST01 you can see here how much it is occupied. Okay, bin 1 is there. Okay, it maximum weight we have given. Okay, only these things you can able to check it here. But if you go to the monitor, no, I'll go to the monitor here /n/SCWM/MON. Okay, how much it is occupied and all we can able to check it here. 1 minute. Okay, here go to the stock and bin, physical stock based upon the product. It is there. 1 minute.
MAT1.
No, not that. I want to go with the storage bin. Okay, I want to go with the storage bin. Give the storage type here, ST01. Okay, and under ST01, how it is occupied, like that it is going to show. See here, bin 1 is there. Okay, it is completely filled. Okay, 10 kg is the maximum weight, and weight is already taken 10 kg. Bin 2 is there. The 10 kg is maximum weight, but it has taken only 4 kg. Now, whatever the material will come, it will going to fit around 3 materials. It can fit in the bin 2, right? And bin 3 also, it will going to.
That I'm asking. Yeah.
It will going to fit the next material. Then it will going to take the next bin, like that it will go. I have brought 10 materials. How it will going to fit? We'll going to check. Okay, I'll just say create here. Okay, it should take ST01 only, but it will going to choose 2 different bins. Okay, So bin sorting, it is something different. Okay, based upon the bin sorting only it is taking. Okay, 0 1 0 1 0 4 it is taking. 0 1 0 1 0 4 it is taking. This bin it is taking the first. Okay, why it is taking? We have to check the sorting. Okay, based upon sorting only it is taking. Okay, and next thing it is taking the ST01 only. ST01 0 2 0 1 it is taking. Means we might have given based upon the AL and all, we have given certain different sortings. Okay, it is taking. Next thing is this one it is taking. Okay, these two bins is taking. Getting the idea? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is how it will going to do the split during put away. 5 materials it is putting here. Okay, next, okay, I'm not going to save this. This one it will going to take directly, okay, ST03, because the enough stock means space is there, enough capacity is there, it will go to ST03 only. Now, okay, just observe this. I'm just not going to save this again. I'm going to change the rule now, okay. I'm going to change the rule to next empty bin. Okay, I'm going to change the rule to next empty bin. Okay, it will going to find only the empty bins here, only the empty bins, and I have given split during put away. So in empty bin only it will going to do the split during put away. Getting the concept? Okay, I'll just save this. Go back again, you go to the input delivery, same thing it will going to take, I think, because as of now we have already kept the material in the previous bins, so it will going to take the same bins. Okay, see, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 4 0 1 0 2 0 1. Okay, the same bins has taken, these two. What the idea?
Like empty, that's why it is taking.
Yeah, it is empty, that is why it is taking. Okay, so or else what we can do?
Until unless we are not saving this information, the bins will not be occupied.
Correct.
It has generated, but it is until unless we are not saving.
Until unless you are not confirming, it will not going to do that. Confirmation.
Level 3 is also empty. Why it is not? Level 3 is also empty.
Level?
Else 01, stack 01 and level, you can go on one step. That was also empty.
No, I am not getting. What is that?
Yeah. This one.
Oh, this one now. See, I might have created something for this, but I have not yet confirmed it. That is why it is already, it is showing something like this. Okay. So what we will do, we can do one thing. Okay, we can do one thing. So for this addition to existing stock, no, I have to show that how the addition to existing stock it is coming. Okay. So for that, what I will do, okay, let's now save this. Okay. So save this first. Okay.
So can we manually change over here after it is generation? I mean,
that is what. See, once it is generated, we have in the confirmation page we have the exception handling. Okay, so we have to create some exception handling codes. Based upon that, we can able to change the bins. Okay. So now.
So bin to bin transfers also we are going to do in this way, Sri.
Bin to bin transfer. We can able to do that. Is the add prod is there, that is the some internal movements are coming. Okay, add prod, then post. Okay, through that we can able to transfer from bin to bin. That is possible. Okay, so I will just go to the what is that storage, sorry, ls11 I'll go first. Okay, /n/scwm/ls11, because as I have created few warehouse task and I have not yet confirmed them, so that is why it is not showing for the these three things. See, it is already occupied. Okay, it is not empty, but in the PI what is that monitor, you can see this is as a empty right now. So I have already what is that done something for this, so that is why it is not occupying over here. So what I'll do for three bins, for these three bins, I'm going to block. Okay, here go to the change storage bins. I'm going to block these three bins. Okay, where I can able to block it. Just go back here only. I can directly block. I think no, not possible. Change. This bin depth 11. Storage bin section. Or else we can just give the capacity, maximum weight capacity to 0, and we can just block them. That is also possible. Or else we can just block them in the monitor. Okay, so /n/scwm/MON. Here I think we cannot block that. Okay, and go to the storage bin. Okay, here ST01. Okay, just execute. Okay, here first three I am telling. Okay, this first three I'm going to block. Okay, so here go to the more methods. In the more methods, here we have the block for put away. Okay, if I'm clicking on this, it will come. Okay, block for put away. It will going to give XX like that. Okay, so check marks, and you can do the block for stock removal also. It will going to check. Give the check marks over here as well. Okay, now what I will do, whatever the material I'm going to bring, it will go for the this particular storage type only, sorry, bin only. Okay, this particular bin. Okay, I'll just keep it as it is. Now I'm going to create one more delivery for some few materials. Okay, for two materials we're going to create. Okay, for two materials I'm going to create. Why I'm creating two materials? Because I want to fill some material in the bin. Then we're going to have the addition to existing stock. How it is going to consider the addition to existing stock and how it is filling, we will be checking it. Okay, and just save this. Okay, now it has created 852. Copy. Go to the PRD of 3. 852 I have to take. Okay, just complete entire put away procedure for this. Okay, just go to the inbound delivery follow on functions. Okay, I have given addition to existing stock in the storage type, right? And say, so I have to give addition to existing stock here. Okay, I'm just giving this, save this. I'm going to create inbound delivery follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay, for these things, I'll just say create plus save. Then I'm going to confirm it. Okay. Okay, confirm. Okay, sorry. I'll just select this, confirm it. Now you can see, I'll go to the monitor screen. In the monitor screen, you can see here two materials should occupy here. Only I'm checking for the ST01. Okay, only two materials should occupy here. Just refresh the screen. See, the material is occupied, so 4 kgs is occupied. Got this? Okay. Now, what I'm doing, I'm going to take the previous one. Okay, we have to consider the previous one. Okay. Now, I'm going to see 10 stocks I'm bringing, and I'm saying addition to existing stock. Okay, what are the different bins that you're going to consider if you are checking it here? 10 stocks I'm bringing, right? Here we can able to put 3 stocks. In the next bin, the complete bin is empty. Here it is going to put 5 stocks. 5, 3, total 8 stocks are done, and 2 stocks it is going to put in this particular bin. Okay, got the idea? Okay, 3 different bins it has to take. Okay, I'll just check on this and say create. Okay, just go down. It will take 3 bins. Okay, first bin it has taken 0 and 0 and 04. This is the one. Okay, second thing, it has kept 5 materials in the next bin. Okay, that is 0 and 2, 1, because here empty is there, completely empty is there. 5 materials I can able to put, and here it will be checking for the 0 to 0 to 02. Okay, 0 and 0 to 02. 2 materials it will be total 10 materials it is taken. Correct?
Yeah. So, Sri, one more query. So, the destination bin and the storage type, it has populated automatically, but it is in editable mode, right?
Yes.
So, if we want to do the changes, if we want to move this destination bin from 0104 to 0105, can we do manually over here, and can we save? It will allow us to do the changes.
Here you want to take the 0 and 0. What is that? 5 only.
Yeah, next bin.
Anything you can check it. Okay, it will means actually it is based upon the strategies, right? So it is based upon the strategies which one you are taking it here. But if you don't want to consider the strategies, I want to go for any bins, that is also going to take it here. But we have to provide in the default values. That is what.
Yeah, manual method we are doing the default value, no?
Yeah.
Thinness.
Yeah, here
Manual
default
method
value
we
is
are
no, if you are
always
keeping it,
using
it will going to come.
when we are creating the task.
Okay. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No.
One question, say, if we want to create, you are saying like this is the split rule is there. So
Okay.
we are splitting the quantity.
Mhm.
If I want to increase the capacity of that bin,
Okay.
how I can do that?
Okay. Capacity of the bin, no. Then you have to go to the BT. Sorry. What is that bin structure? We have done the bin.
Okay.
Here we
Storage
have
type
done.
for particular storage type, we have to increase that.
No, you are asking for the storage type, right? So
Yes.
for that particular storage type, we have assigned the bin characteristics,
Bin type.
right? Bin
type,
characteristics. So where we have defined our bin characteristics, here it is the bin characteristic, bin type. Okay, it is nothing but the bin characteristic. Here I will go to the 1100 and BT0 and I have created. Okay, so just go here. You just change the bin capacity to 20 kgs. Let us consider. Just save this. Then I have just changed the bin capacity here, but we have to check it in the LS11 also. /n/SCWM/LS11. Okay, go to the ST01. What is the bin capacity? You just check it now. It is still 10 kg only. Okay, it is still 10 kg only. Now select this. Go to change bins. Okay, bin type. Okay, you have to just assign BT01 here. Just execute. Now the bin capacity also is going to turn to 20 kgs. Okay, and then save it. That's it. Okay, now if you are bringing the whole material, it will going to fit into one particular bin only. Next empty bin, if you are giving, it will go and fit into one particular bin only. Okay. Any doubts here? We have just discussed about the put away rules as well, like addition to existing stock and an empty bin. And the other thing is that general storage means you bring whatever the number of material you want, so you can able to put it over there. Okay, like in the some space is there. Okay, some what I'm just showing the diagram or the picture. Okay, these are some bins and all they are given occupied in the bins. Okay, some I just want to show some general storage. Okay, see here some area is there where they are storing the general storage. Okay, you can put any number of materials here. Okay, it is not like they are putting some next empty bin something like that. Okay, you can put any number of materials here. There is some areas we can check. General storage. Just stack only is showing. Okay, see here, some rice bags are there. They are just stacking it. Okay, so this is general storage. You can say here it is the general storage. See how they are kept the materials. This is a general storage. You just bring the material and keep it over here. That's it. Okay. So this is the general storage which we have given it for the what is that staging areas. Okay, so for the staging areas we have given no, just like that it will going to operate. Means you can bring any materials.
Capacity or nothing.
Yeah, yes.
Directly we can put any material.
You are right. You are right. Yeah. If we are giving the next empty bin and the what is that and the addition to existing stock, then only we will be providing certain different types of bins and will be taking it, right? If only one bin is there in the entire staging area, then we'll just not going to give any addition to existing stock or the next empty bin. We'll just provide it like general storage.
Okay. Sri, if that is the case, for rice bags, for cement, or for some chemicals, for all these industries, we'll be having this open storage area.
Hey, don't consider that, because for different things it will be having the different
dependent on client.
Client, based upon the client only.
No, that's fine. I totally agree. But what my question is, see, rice we are stacking in open storage areas, right?
Correct.
Only open. and that too we are stacking one by one,
Mhm.
so we don't have any specific bin that needs to be maintained over there, if I'm
Correct.
right.
Mhm.
So the same way, if we are going for cement factory,
Mhm.
in cement also we will not be having any specific bins available. Open storage area will be there.
Yeah.
We can stack as much as possible.
See, this is one open storage, no? Here,
Right.
this is one open storage. This is one stock type. Sorry, storage type. We're going to define for this storage type. Okay, under the storage type, this is one entire bin is there. Okay, this is one bin entirely. This is one bin. Like that, we're going to consider. Okay.
Okay. So
Hmm.
that's my question.
Okay, wherever you go, storage type should be there and the bin should be there. See, even in the storage, what is that staging area also, we have created the storage type as well as the bin. We have defined it over there. Correct, no? If section is not there, that is fine. Section I'm not going to create here. If you have to have the storage type and the bin, that is mandatory.
Okay, but in bins we don't have any capacity over here, right?
Yeah, we don't give the capacity. What is there in it?
Open.
Open. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Any doubts? Further doubts? Any? If you have any doubts, please do ask.
Okay. Out of the topic question,
Mhm.
three, right? What are the challenges you have faced in implementation?
While creating the bins.
You take any sequence, storage bins, or normally what are the issues or what are the major challenges which you have received so far in implementation? If you have done any implementation,
Okay.
what kind of challenges you have faced?
See, whenever we are doing some what is that storage search sequences and all, that time there will be lot many materials are available. Okay, with the what is that client. Okay, so that time whenever we're going to do that put away search sequence or the strategies and all, there only we're going to struggle a lot. Okay, like there are a lot many materials are there and different storage types are there. How we have to map the storage type for those materials? Okay, whenever we are creating, we will going to create and we'll going to finish it. But whenever the change request will come, no, that time it will be very difficult. Okay, all of a sudden, if we have done like one particular storage type, we have assigned for a particular material. Now they are changing it to some fixed bin. That time we will going to work on it. Okay, so some so we have to think about this. Okay, so how what they are asking, how they are asking, then we have to manage it based upon their requirement. Then we have to fit it for the what is the shop floor and all. Okay, where they are creating all those layouts, they're going to provide. Okay, the entire layouts they're going to provide. So the warehouse layout, they're going to provide something like the warehouse layout. And whenever they are taking, so here it is not the one. Warehouse layout, they're going to, okay, yeah, like this, they're going to provide the warehouse layout. See here. Okay, here they might be having some storage, rack storage or some fixed bin storage. It is available. Something like that. They're going to provide the warehouse storage. Means layout for us. So based upon that, we will going to fit that scenario. Okay. So if the material is they are taking this material, where this material should go. Okay. And how many bins they required. Okay. If they required some 10 bins in one particular bin, how much materials they want to save. All those things we can able to means ask from the client and we have to do that. Okay, so whenever change request will be there, then only we're going to have some difficulties. But you just practice for this. What is that strategies? Okay, just do different kind of strategies and do practice. Okay, we'll just check. Okay, if you have any doubt, then we can able to resolve them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. That's it. And today I'm going to end the class here only. So it is a long hour. Okay. I'll stop.